Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing the full file path in the title bar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select For Developers. Make sure Developer Mode is turned on, and then select File Explorer. In the drop-down menu, you will see the option to show full path in title bar. You can enable or disable it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.